Welcome to World News and our special edition filmed in the Amazon rainforest.
Tonight we have some hard-hitting and tragic news.
The Amazon rainforest is facing its hardest year yet. Deforestation, climate change and the bad economy are all factors damaging the rainforest.
Illegal deforestation has meant that the rainforest trees have been cut down and none planted in their place. This means the rainforest is gradually getting smaller and smaller with no hope of regrowing.
Between 2000 and 2006, an area larger than Greece was taken away from the rainforest, probably more now that it's 2011. Another reason for deforestation is cattle farming and crop growing.
Spaces have to be cleared from the rainforest to make room for the crops or cattle. The large amount of deforestation happening every day means the animals that live in the rainforest, such as the three-toed sloths, have no trees to live in, so they are victims of predators like jaguars.
Lots of animals are also scared by people coming into the rainforest hunting and farming. They also have to clear roads linking farms and cities, also to transport wood to be sold.
This is the reason three-toed sloths and other animals are endangered. It's a real shame because we are losing more and more beautiful animals and rainforest every day.
This is a giant issue facing our society today. If you feel like helping out for this great cause, then donate generously to WWF or Greenpeace. Thank you from the rainforest.
In other news,
to other farms and cities. I have to do that one again.
No, we can pretend they're like rainforest monkeys.
At the background you can...
I wonder over that. Stand there.
Under the wall. Wait, it actually does look really cool in front of the wall.
Between 2000 and 2006, an area larger than Greece was taken away from the Amazon. Probably double that now that it's 2011. And this